Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deandra, the Opinionated Chic. Thank you so much for stopping on my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a very exciting topic, which is basically maximizing your closet for maximum productivity, right? And basically what I mean by that is I feel like when you know where your stuff are, when you are more organized, you are better able, you move faster, you're not digging through your stuff trying to figure out where is my black knee-high boots, where is my leather belt, where, you just know where the stuff are. For me personally, I usually try to organize my stuff or my closet at least 2 times for the year, right? Because the truth is, you organize it, but sometimes you're rushing, you pull something, it falls out of place, or something, gets shift, and it over time, it's a mess, right? It happens to the best of us. So for me, I like to reset, and this is something that I usually do for the start of the year. I actually did this in December, and just as needed, you can do it. So you don't necessarily need to do it 1 time for the year or 2 times, but you do it as needed. So I'm gonna share my tips and tricks with you, and I hope at the end of this video it will be useful. So the first thing that I would suggest is for organizing is take out all your stuff. Like, dedicate a day and say, okay, a few hours, depending on how much clothes you have, it shouldn't take you more than 2-3 hours max. So block off that time in your calendar, and then you come and you say, alright, we're gonna get this done. Mentally prepare, alright? Because it really can be a little bit sometimes. So my first step would be sorting through all your items. What you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. So to make it not as tedious, if you have all your stuff already in one place, like in particular places, so let's say for example you have a drawer for jeans, or you have a drawer for tops, bags are there, shoes are there. Maybe one day, to not overwhelm you, you can say, today I'm going to focus on shoes. So let's say for example we're going to work with jeans, and or whatever item you're working with, right? Because this is not restricting you to a particular item. So let's say for example you're starting out, and the first step that I'd give you is just go through your items, see what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep, right? Simple. Now, rule of thumb that I like to work with is that if you have not worn that item for more than a year or over a year, then maybe it's not an item that you're going to draw for anytime soon, and you may want to donate it. And don't look at it as, oh my god, I love this item, I'm giving it away. Look at it as, I'm making room for new stuff. Because I'm pretty sure you probably have gotten 5 other items similar to that you probably wear more than it, and that one is just there sitting. The first thing I like to do is sort through items that I like versus items that I don't like, or items that I want to keep versus items that I'm not going to keep. This can sometimes be a little tedious, but trust me, yeah. Once you do that, you can organize those. Maybe you want to donate them to a local women or men's shelter, depending on where you live. Maybe you have family or friends or just people that you know that are in need and will love them. This is a good way to give back to your community, and in the process you're not throwing them out, they're actually going to use somewhere, so that's my first tip. My second tip would be then that after you have decided what you want to keep, then you can start organizing the stuff by putting the styles together. So let's say for example you're somebody that goes to the gym and you have a lot of gym stuff, gym outfit, tops, bottom, shirts. Depending on your style, you probably can have area in your closet, whether it's a drawer or just under your closet that says, okay, these items are for gym, and you put all your gym stuff there. Some persons can go or will go as far as color coordinating them. So let's say you are a pink person or you like brown. You put all your brown stuff together, all your pink stuff together, all your blue stuff together. And this is just gym items we're talking about now. Then once you have color coordinated them in the style, you can move on to something else. So my next tip would be style. Now for me, I love leopard prints, right? So I probably have quite a few dresses, tops, maybe even a pants that has leopard. So instead of when I go to my closet, I don't know where to find leopard or probably animal prints or zebra or whatever. I'm just looking in tops. I would probably put those items together. So I'd put prints together. I'd put like gym stuff together. Even though this may be a pants, it will definitely be easier to find the item because you know that this is a print and it will stand out in your memory, right? So that would definitely be my second tip. My third tip for closet organization, I have not done this yet. It is something that I really want to do. But one of the main reasons why we over time momentarily try to organize our closet is for space. We don't want to have items that we're not using or not wearing. I would recommend trying a capsule wardrobe. What is that, you may ask? A capsule wardrobe is basically a wardrobe that gives you specific pieces of items that you would get in your closet. So let's say for example it would say pants, 6 pants. So from Google, it says a capsule wardrobe is a collection of thoughtful, curated, easily interchangeable items designed to maximize the number of outfits you can create. So, for some persons, and the capsule wardrobe is honestly less clothes. So overall, it's probably 5 tops, 5 bottoms, 5 this, 5 that. But when you go through, you realize that you putting these particular pieces together actually work. So instead of you having like a top and you don't know what to wear with it, the capsule wardrobe, I hope that I am explaining it as like easy as 1, 2, 3 so that you can get it. But the capsule wardrobe is just curated items, like Google said, specific items that helps you to maximize the wear of all items in your closet. That's basically what it is. So I would recommend trying a capsule wardrobe and see how it works. Like try for a month, 30 days. You don't have to necessarily throw away all the items, but pick out the pieces. If you have them currently in your wardrobe, pick out those pieces, create the capsule wardrobe, try it out for 30 days, and see that we don't, like some persons that I know, maybe myself I'm talking about, wear the same pieces every week or every 2 days, or like if you can't find the piece, you're like, oh my god, I don't have any clothes, and then you have like 3 chest of drawers of clothes that you probably are not wearing or utilizing. So I'd say try the capsule wardrobe. So those are my specific tips, but I really do want to encourage you to try decluttering if you have not yet done so. A clear space, a clean space, and an organized space helps with your mindset. It helps you to be more productive, and it also helps you to just move through quicker. I find a lot of times I'm going somewhere and I don't check out what I'm wearing like overnight or prior to me actually getting ready. I'm like, oh my god, where's my black shirt? Where's my stockings? Where's my this? Where's my that? First is if I have my stuff organized, put together, I just know, okay, all my headbands right here, I just open the drawer to get them. It saves me time, and time is money. Nobody wants to be running around trying to find your items. I'd love to encourage you, and I'd like you to leave a comment down into the comment section if you watch this video. These tips were helpful. You went ahead, you organized your closet, and it was beneficial to you. Go ahead, leave a comment down into the comment section. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if this content, if it helped you, and be sure to share it with a friend, and definitely come back here next week Friday for another video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm your girl, the Opinionated Chic, and I'll see you pretty soon.